action.
Oh, hey Beans. JULIAN2 here, and I'm back at it again with another conspiracy theory video. Now this theory is almost 100% fact, but a few people disagree with it. Okay guys, you better get ready, because this one's a doozy. I am the best jammer alive. Follow me outside.
It's okay, Spinny Boys. We just blame it on Aparri.
Look at all those beans. Did you like that, Spinny Boys? Does anybody disagree with me that I'm the best jammer alive? Anybody disagree with me that I'm the best jammer alive? Anyone? Anyone? Anyone?
You're not the best jammer. Everyone is equal.
No! I'm the best jammer!
No, I'm the best.
No.
Yes.
No.
No.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, no, maybe so.
Maybe. I don't know.
There's only one way to settle this.
Wisteria!
I'm here, boys. What do you boys need?
I'm trying to figure out who's the best jammer.
Well, there's only one way to settle that.
What?
Well, as you know, there's only one way. Stupid drink. Crap.
Still my girlfriend. She's still my girlfriend. She's still my girlfriend. God, are you okay? Are you okay? Oh my god, I was so worried about you.
What about me? He's always choosing that stupid tiger over me. Aparri, help me up. Ah, my leg! It's broken!
It's not broken. You're always trying to make a scene.
Okay, I'll do it myself. My weave, it came right off. I thought I glued it on tight this time. Anyways, as I was saying, you guys have to fight to see who is the best jammer.
She's right. We have to fight.
Julian, wait. Before you fight Aparri, you want to give me a kiss?
Wisteria, you're embarrassing me in front of Aparri. Fight. I trusted you!
It's over, Anakin. I have the higher ground.
Mama, take this bad Joe from me. Can't use
Oh no, what did I do?
anymore.
Where'd he go? I am the king now.
I'm sorry, Spinny Boys.